Remember when we said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, not us. But we let each other down, down, down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul from one of my favorite brands, Zara. I know you guys love it too. So I thought I'd pick out some like transitional kind of pieces because I know we're in August right now and autumn is just around the corner. So I picked up some pieces that could definitely be used in autumn too. I very much had like a color scheme in mind when I picked out these items. Very autumnal, but still floaty, still floral, and very much that Chloe Girl editorial we've seen around at the moment. I will put it here so you kind of get the theme that I was going along. So as always, I'm going to start with my favorite. I put this on my Insta stories the other day, like the tiniest little sneak peek, and you guys went crazy for it. So it's this, I'm very confused by the lining in this, but there's lining in it. I love the pattern detail on this. It's very much those Chloe Girl kind of vibes that are out in the editorial at the moment. It's from Zara. It reminds me very much of like Sienna Miller circa like 2009, whenever her like boho phase was. I'm really confused by this lining, but this is the dress. So it's very like, it is very much like that Chloe Girl kind of like material. I swear there's a name for this kind of material and I always want to call it plaid, but I don't think it is. There has this like embroidery section, so it's really very much like that boho kind of vibe. I wore it with this like big hat that I got from ASOS, which you would have seen in one of my ASOS hauls. I love the kind of style. I had a belt around the middle as well, so it really pulled in the waist. It's such autumnal colours. Imagine this with a pair of woolly tights, some little ankle boots, a big chunky cardigan, and this is how you can take like a summer floaty dress and turn it into like an autumnal outfit. So I got you covered. So this is the dress on. I've just tied a belt around the middle of it to like pinch in at the waist and like make it a little bit shorter, but you can wear it just as a flouncy dress. These are the sleeves, love them. It's like cowgirl chic, but definitely Sienna Miller vibes, if you know what I mean. It's definitely like something that she would probably wear back in the day. Just paired it with some boots with the studded detail on again. This taupe colour comes in handy because it goes with a lot of things, and some big hoop earrings to finish off the look. This is the dress a little closer, and I have just paired it with this bag from River Island. You may have remembered it from about January, I think. So next up I have the most epic blazer. I saw it and I was like, oh, I'm in love. You may have noticed if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I will leave the handle here. I'm having a bit of a moment with red. I absolutely love the colour. It's this blazer. How stunning is this? I just thought if you wanted to like wow in work or like be just vibrant and bold with like workwear, then all like even smart casual, like this blazer is so good. Little black lace cami underneath it, or even a shirt with like a belt round would look super cool. Black and gold chain bag, you know my Chanel dupe would look sick with this. I think it's gorgeous. So this is the jacket on. This is just one of many ways you could wear it. You could pop it on with some black trousers, some jeans, like you could put a cami underneath it, but I just went for this look. I think it's so fierce, would be perfect if you want to make like a wow impression on a night out. Just paired it with some black studded boots, I love these, and a plain black little bag, but and this skirt underneath it that comes in really handy all the time, and then I've tied it together around the waist with a belt. This is the blazer a little closer. I've just popped this bag on with it instead. I don't know why, my reasoning behind this. As I say, little lace cami underneath it would be perfect, or if you want to do this, some tip tape, and I don't know if you can see, I've got Astrid and Miu necklace on with it. I love how it just pulls you in at the waist and creates like this really like nice silhouette, and it would be amazing with like this a bright vivid lit. Or alternatively, something like this you could wear for work with a white shirt, some smart trousers. You could really mix it up. So next up I have this dress here. It has like this black lace paneling at the front, which I love, but I just adore this like colour. It has a slit right up the front, so it can be super sexy but also very modest at the same time, depending on how you want to wear it. It's got this big black belt around it so you can tie it in with the waist, but this kind of thing I thought you could wear it really dressy, with nothing underneath it. You could wear it with a shirt underneath it. I thought it would look cool with like an off-the-shoulder blouse even, or with like in the winter months you could put a black puller neck underneath it, which would look beautiful. Picture this, like a black puller neck underneath it, like black thigh-high boots. Like you could really winter this up. So a really good transitional piece again. So this is the dress on. As you can see, there is a slit up the side, but you could make it as conservative or as sexy as you would like. The tie and detail really fits your body as well. You can tie it tight around your waist. You could possibly even tie it at the back if you wanted to. This bag is from Zara, so it works in really nicely with the black, but still etched into that summer vibe with the wicker. I've just got some castanet wedges on with it and some shades on top of my head. So next up I have something very, very simple. It's a basic, but I saw this and I didn't have one and I thought it was just a really simple cami. They had these in all different colours, but I loved how like it wasn't just lace, it's like really delicate lace, like almost underwear, like very, very fragile but beautiful. Things like this would look perfect underneath cardigans, underneath blazers. Again, just something like you can really get your wear out of it all year round, because you can wear it on its own in the summer or like pop a cardigan over the top like in the autumn or winter. Like it's got this paneling down the side as well. Really flimsy material, which makes it really easy to like tuck into jeans as well. So really handy. So this is the cami on. I've just paired it with this tweed whitey nudie skirt with like embellishment down the middle and some cute little kitten heels, a taupe bag. Camis are like one of the most handiest things to have in your wardrobe. I would probably go to Zara and pick them up in every single colour because these are just beautiful. Like the lace, it really makes an outfit, like the added lace to it, really delicate, and then it's just so easy to pair with the skirt. This is it a little closer. This is the bag up close too. You can see the embellishment down the skirt, which is not from Zara, but I thought I'd show you it. Yeah. Next up I have this super slinky number. Now this colour brown is not something that I would usually opt for, but I just loved it. Like for this time of year, it's to the floor and it has like this really lovely like gathered like top, but it's really heavy as well. Like it looks really rich. It's kind of like that Misomi kind of fabric, like really tiny knitted. Really delicate straps as well. Now this colour isn't something that I usually opt for, but I just thought like end of summer vibes, like just a gorgeous brown going into autumn. Paired it with like that snakeskin like boot that I love at the moment, that was all over the catwalks. Snakeskin kind of vibes with it, with like big hoop earrings, like something really quite sophisticated and elegant, but like super cool at the same time. Let me try this on because I don't think you'll get what I'm picturing in my head just talking to you. So this is the dress on. I've just hitched it up so you can see the snakeskin boots that I was going on about. I love these boots. Very, very Paris Fashion Week. I've just paired it with this Allure official bag again and a big straw fedora. You guys know how much I love straw fedoras, although this got caught in the rain the other day and got a little bit squished. There's a lot of fabric and it's kind of really heavy, so it has this like really rich demure feel about it, but it's like really slinky and kind of sexy, I think. So next up I have a Co-ord set and I just loved the colour of this. Again, going into autumn, like the perfect colour maroon. Colour. It's like one of my favourite colours, but the design of it as well, it's like this slouchy knitted material, so really like that laid back kind of vibe. And then to go with it is this beautiful skirt. It's like really thick material. Wait, this is inside out, hang on. And it has these buttons up the front and then it's got two slits down the side which you can pop open. I think you can pop open. No, you can't. That's definitely stuck down. I just thought with like a pair of ankle boots, like with a big slouchy like handbag, this would look super cool. Like something that you could wear like when it starts getting cooler. I thought this would be the perfect transitional outfit as the temperature drops, but it's not quite like cold coat weather yet. Love this colour as well, my favourite colour. I think this would look really good with a matching lip as well. So beautiful. So this is the Co-ord set on. It did come in a number of different colours, so if you like it, definitely check out Zara online or Zara in store. I've just paired it with some nude studded heels which match the bag perfectly, and I have a pair of cat eye sunglasses, like a brownie maroony shade on my head. Definitely wear both separately. The top would work perfectly with a pair of jeans, some high-waisted trousers, and the skirt would work really nicely in the autumn with like a big puller neck, or maybe a cami even in the summer. So definitely a lot of outfits in one here. Similar to the brown dress, this is a really heavy material, like a knitted heavy material, so it has a really nice richness to it. This is it a little closer. I love the button detailing down the side. Intricate detailing like this always makes an outfit look a lot more high-end. It would look really nice in the autumn as well with a leather jacket, like an oversized leather jacket or something over the top with a big scarf round. Oh, I'm getting so excited about autumn. So again, we have this same material. Please let me know what this fabric is called, like this pattern. It definitely has a name, this kind of vibe. I thought this reminded me of like very off-duty model kind of look, like a big slouchy shirt. If you see the neckline there, it kind of sits off the shoulders slightly, like it comes below the bum as well, so you can wear it as a dress. You could put a belt around if you wanted to, but I thought big slouchy shirt, rough like scruff bun, and it would look really, really cute. I think this is one of my favorites actually. I love the colour of it as well. Again, you could match your lips. Ooh, I keep doing this, but you could match the lips with it. So this is the shirt on. Really reminds you of like ABBA kind of era, like is it 70s or 80s. I just popped a belt around the middle, a big massive tote to like go in with that slouchy laid back kind of vibe. Got some thigh high cream boots. These are perfect for the transitional period because they're not black, they're not heavy winter boots, but they're still like etched into the autumn kind of vibe. So I actually have these in grey as well. I have them in grey, cream and black. I love these boots. But yeah, love it. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the pieces I picked out. I'm absolutely loving Zara at the moment. This has to be probably one of my favourite hauls. Such good pieces, and if you guys are new here, I would absolutely love it if you could stick around, hit that subscribe button. I make lots of videos, I do beauty, I do vlogs as well. I'm a weekly vlogger. Can I call myself that now? Because I've been doing it for like a good 3 months now. So I will leave my weekly vlog playlist below, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye.
When we said we'd stay together now until forever, just us, just us.